What kinds of protests actually bring down political leaders? A recent study in the Journal of Peace Research looks at different types of political dissent and finds evidence that peaceful demonstrations can be more effective than violent ones. The authors compare protests both by tactics, asking if they're violent or nonviolent, and by participation, asking how large the protests are. They argue that nonviolent protests, especially when large and sustained, pose the biggest threat to political leaders. Why? Nonviolent dissent signals broad public support and is more likely to trigger defections from a leader's key allies, who could face great costs from broad nonviolent disavowal. In contrast, violent protests can backfire because it gives leaders an excuse to crack down. The data backs it up. Leaders are far more likely to lose power when facing large-scale, nonviolent challenges than smaller or equally sized violent ones. The takeaway? When it comes to removing leaders, peaceful protests pack more punch than you might think. If you want to learn more, use the link below.